The Ninja CREAMi Deluxe allows you to turn almost anything into frozen treats like ice cream, sorbet, and gelato, and all your favorite mix-ins. And now you can make scoopable and drinkable ice-based treats like Italian ice, Slushi, Creamiccino, frozen drinks, and frozen yogurt right at home. The CREAMi Deluxe has 5 new functions, which include Italian ice that's designed to transform water and your favorite fruity flavors into refreshing scoops of Italian ice. Frozen yogurt, take any store-bought yogurt and creamify it into a smooth frozen treat with the touch of a button. The 3 drinkable functions are frozen drink. You can make beverages that bring vacation to your home, like margaritas and pina coladas. Slushi. Recreate a favorite childhood treat by turning water and poured drink mix or syrup into silky smooth, sippable slushies. The Creamiccino, you can create coffee house quality frozen coffee drinks with your preferred coffee and sugar along with any creamer, milk, or milk alternative you desire. The CREAMi Deluxe has a powerful motor base and comes equipped with an outer bowl and lid to house your deluxe pint while processing. The Deluxe Creamerizer paddle, which transforms frozen mixtures into the perfect creamy texture. 2 extra-large family-sized deluxe pints and lids to store your creamy treats right in your freezer. And it also includes an inspiration guide with recipes and tips to help you get started with your CREAMi Deluxe. Today, I'm going to be making a vanilla ice cream recipe with chocolate chips to show you how to work at the CREAMi Deluxe. For this recipe, you're going to need 1½ tablespoons of cream cheese, ½ cup of granulated sugar, 1½ teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1 cup plus 2 tablespoons of heavy cream, 1½ cups of whole milk, and 1/3 cup of chocolate chips to mix in. Now first, we want to microwave the cream cheese for about 10 seconds in a large microwave-safe bowl. Add your sugar and vanilla extract and with a rubber spatula, combine it until the mixture looks like frosting. Next, slowly mix in the heavy cream and milk until fully combined and your sugar is dissolved. Pour your base into an empty CREAMi Deluxe pint to the scoopable max fill line. Place your storage lid on your pint and freeze it for 24 hours. The next day, remove your pint from the freezer and remove the lid from the pint. Once your pint is prepped, frozen, and ready to go, plug in the unit. Then, place your pint into the outer bowl. Press and hold the latch on top of the lid, then insert the paddle in the bottom of the lid. Release the latch to secure the paddle. The paddle will feel a little loose when installed. Position the tab of the lid just slightly to the right of the outer bowl handle so that the arrows on the lid and handle are aligned. Rotate the lid clockwise to lock. Place the outer bowl on the motor base with the handle in the middle of the unit. Twist the handle to the right to raise the platform and lock the bowl in place. Next, select full. Then use the dial to select ice cream. You must always select a processing mode, top, full, or bottom before selecting a one-touch program. If making a drinkable program, only full is available. After processing, add your mixings by creating a 1½ wide hole that reaches the bottom of the pint. Add your chocolate chips to the hole in the pint and process again using the mix-in program. Once complete, remove your ice cream from the pint, serve, and enjoy. Now, a fun thing about the CREAMi Deluxe is that you can personalize any recipe to your liking. To make this recipe light, just use 3/4 teaspoon of stevia and 3 3/4 tablespoons of raw agave nectar for granulated sugar. You can process in the light ice cream program and you're set.